I'm just in the car right now, and I'm gonna turn the steering wheel so you can hear what kind of noise this car makes. And if yours is making it, then chances are you need a strut mount. Sounds kind of pathetic. And from an outside view, this is what the spring does. You see how it jumps? It's pitching. There's the strut mount I've got, and this is the part that your strut goes through at the very top. And this is a little bearing right here, and I believe that's what's giving me the trouble on this one. The bearing is catching. Cheap plastic. So, take my advice at your own discretion. Thanks for watching.